Hi, I'm Gavin. I'm a physical therapist, and I see a lot of patients in my clinic who come in with running injuries. Things like heel pain, knee pain, Achilles tendon, calf pain, those kind of injuries that they get from running or sports. And one of the primary common denominators that I usually find with people who have pain with running is related to the calf muscle and how tight that is. So the calf muscle is what attaches to the Achilles tendon, which is what attaches to your heel. And that muscle is what determines how much flexibility you have in your ankle when you run. And the way that relates to running and injuries that I see in the clinic is that a tight calf muscle will limit the amount of what's called dorsiflexion in your ankle. And the amount of dorsiflexion in your ankle determines how well your ankle and foot and knee function while you run. That is the mechanics of how those joints function when you're running. And running is a very repetitive mechanical motion. So any disruption in the proper mechanics of your foot and ankle and your knee is going to result in an injury of some sort to either things like shin splints, Achilles tendonitis, knee pain, plantar fasciitis, those kind of things. So one of the first things I will measure on people is how much flexion they have in their ankle, and then I'll look at them walk and see how that affects the way they walk and run. And if they do have a tight calf muscle, the primary thing I have them do is called sustained stretching of the calf, or the gastroc muscle as it's called in anatomy. Sustained stretching of the calf allows that muscle, or encourages that muscle, stimulates that muscle to grow longer. And as that muscle grows longer, it allows more flexion in the ankle, which then allows the foot and ankle and knee to function properly, allows you to restore your proper running mechanics, and eliminates the source of pain and inflammation that creates problems with heel pain, knee pain, Achilles pain, and calf pain. So one of the best ways to actually attain a sustained stretch on the calf is with a stretching strap. And I've kind of developed this adjustable stretching strap that I use with my patients and sell through Amazon. The reason I've developed that is because when we talk about sustained stretching of the calf, a sustained stretch that's enough to actually stimulate the calf muscle to grow longer and give you that extra range of motion is about 8 minutes long. And putting a nice long stretch on the calf muscle for 8 minutes is quite difficult unless you have an apparatus like the adjustable stretching strap. And what you do is you get the strap, as you can see, you put it around your waist, you put it around the ball of your foot, and then you tighten it up and you lean back, and that puts a nice long sustained stretch on your calf and allows you to sit into that stretch for about 8 minutes at a time. And that's generally enough after a few weeks to get that calf muscle to lengthen to the point where you are able to run without pain or without causing pain in knees, ankles, feet, etc. So if you'd like to, and if you're interested in finding out more about how to get a stretching strap, just click the link below. That'll take you to my website or take you straight to Amazon and allow you to purchase one of those stretching straps. They're a great tool for runners. I suggest that all runners have them just to get their calf muscle lengthened to the point that they're not going to have pain with running. So give it a try, and hope you have a good run. Thanks.